A function g is defined as g is such that x maps onto 1 over 2 minus 3x over 1 minus x. Find the image of 1 under g inverse, the inverse of g. So we can rewrite g of x as 1 over 2 minus 3x over 1 minus x. So if you let y equal g of x, we can get the inverse of g. So 1 over 2 minus 3x, then we have 1 minus x. So we have to make x the subject now. We can interchange x and y, then we make y the subject. So we have x is equal to 1 over 2 minus 3y over 1 minus y. So let's multiply through by 2 times x minus y. So we have 2 into bracket 1 minus y times x is equal to 2 into bracket 1 minus y times 1 over 2 then we have 3x, we have 3y over 1 minus y times 2 into bracket 1 minus y. So we can simplify now. So let's expand. We have 2x minus 2xy then we will have 1 minus y here, then we will have 6y. So we have minus 6y. So this will give us 1 minus 7y. Then we have 2x minus 2xy. So let's group the y terms. So we have 7y minus 2xy to be equal to 1 minus 2x. So 7 minus 2x, we factor the y, will be equal to 1 minus 2x. So y will be equal to 1 minus 2x over 7 minus 2x. So we can now find this is the inverse. Hence, the inverse, g inverse of x is equal to 1 minus 2x over 7 minus 2x. So we want to find g inverse of 1. So g inverse of 1 will be equal to 1 minus 2 times 1 over 7 minus 2 times 1. So that will give us 1 minus 2, which is negative 1 over 7 minus 2, which is 5. So g inverse of 1 will be equal to negative 1 over 5. The B part say a curve has an equation y equal x over 2 plus x squared. Find correct to 1 decimal place the gradient of the curve at x equal 1 over 2. So the given curve has equation y equal x over 2 plus x squared. So we can use the quotient rule. We have u equal x, then we have v equal 2 plus x squared. So du dx will be equal to 1. Then also dv dx will be equal to 2x. So record the quotient rule. dy dx is equal to v du dx minus u dv dx all over v squared. So this will be equal to v is 2 plus x squared, du dx is 1. Then we have minus u is x, then dv dx is 2x all over v squared, that is 2 plus x squared all squared. So dy dx will now simplify to, we have 2 plus x squared times 1 will give us 2 plus x squared. So we have 2 plus x squared here minus 2x times x will give us 2x squared all over 2 plus x squared all squared. So this will simplify to 2 minus x squared all over 2 plus x squared all squared. So when x is equal to 1 over 2, we will obtain 2 minus 1 over 2 squared. So dy dx at x equal 1 over 2 is equal to 2 minus 1 over 2 squared all over 2 plus 1 over 2 squared all squared. So this will simplify to 2 minus 1 over 4 all over 2 plus 1 over 4 all squared. And this will give us 2 minus 1 over 4 give us 7 over 4 over 9 over 4 squared. So this will further give us so this will be equal to 7 over 4 times 16 over 81. So you square this, you get 81 over 16. Then you reciprocate it and multiply. So we have 4 going into 16 4 times. So 7 times 4 will give us 28 over 81. 28 over 81 is approximately 0.3457. To one decimal place will give us 0.3. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Let's meet in the next video.